In this video, I'll do unboxing of Garmin Fenix 7X Sapphire Solar. So here is the box, and you can see here Fenix 7X Sapphire Solar, and here is the watch with a nice black band, and here is the safety packaging. Here I'll remove the packaging from here, and then on top we have this safety shield which is to protect its screen. So this was pasted over here, and then we have the USB charging cable, which is standard USB charging cable that comes with almost all the Garmin Fenix series or Forerunner series. And then we have this instruction manual in case you want to read it and understand. Now to turn it on, you need to press and hold this button, which is a power button. Just hold it for a few seconds and it will give you display here, Fenix 7X Sapphire Solar. So we'll wait for this and it will load the maps. Alright, here the watch is ready now. It is starting, and you can see here Sapphire Solar. Choose the language English and pair with phone, yes. In next video, I have given you a full tutorial that how we can pair the new Garmin device with the Garmin Connect app, which is available on iPhone and Android. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get to know all the videos that I upload for Garmin devices. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.